You've got unlimited internet, right? So why are you just scrolling and wasting that power? What if you could turn that unlimited data into unlimited earnings, starting today? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 real tested ways to make money just by using your internet. No theory, no fluff, 0 investment needed. Ready? Let's go. Method 1. Share your internet connection for instant pay. Did you know you can get paid just for staying online? That's right. If your internet is always on, apps like PauTECtips and JumpTask pay you real cash or crypto just for sharing a small part of your connection. Here's how it works. You install the app, sign up, and let it run quietly in the background. They use your connection for data analytics, research, and other legit tasks. The more devices or time your connection is shared, the more you earn. It's 100% legal, safe, and best of all, works perfectly with unlimited internet. Because when your data is unlimited, this income literally costs you nothing, but racks up extra cash. For example, JumpTask pays $1 to $2 for every 10 gigabytes you share. That might seem small, but imagine leaving it running on all your devices 24/7. That adds up fast. Bonus, PauTECtips even lets you earn by completing simple tasks and referrals, doubling your earning potential. Method 2. Get paid for browsing. Why just browse when you can get paid for it? Brave Browser rewards you for every minute you spend surfing the web by giving you BAT tokens, a real digital currency you can convert to cash or use to top up your phone or data. Just download Brave, turn on Brave Rewards, and use it like any other browser. It's lightning fast, privacy-focused, and pays you every month automatically. Pairing this with Pawns or JumpTask means you're earning double with 0 extra effort. Method 3. Upload content and earn from your data. Use your unlimited data to upload content and turn views into income. Instead of watching videos all day, start posting. Use tools like CapCut templates or TikTok trends to create viral shorts or clips in minutes. No need to be a pro. Just remix trending sounds or videos with your own twist. If your content hits 10K plus views, you can monetize with affiliate links, brand shoutouts, or TikTok's Creator Fund, or join the YouTube Monetization Partner Program and earn big from your videos. The secret? You have unlimited data, so you can upload more often and faster than others who worry about data caps, giving you a huge advantage. Let me leave you with a bonus method. Here's the win. Combine all 3. Let Pawns and JumpTask monetize your connection, browse with Brave to earn while you surf, and upload viral content to build ongoing income. Triple the profit with one unlimited internet plan powering it all. So if you're ready to turn your unlimited internet into real earnings, no fake hacks or surveys, this is it. I'll be testing a new AI-powered method in the next episode that could turn your free browsing into a daily paying gig. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss it.